Hey everybody, welcome to the Kiff Workshop channel. I just thought I'd do a little intro here just to show you what we're all about and everything, which is mainly cars, and welcome you to my junk pile, which is my driveway. As you can see, I've got a E46 330i. This one has got a lot of mods on it. There'll be a video coming up soon about the bonnet, custom one-off one that was built. We've also got the M3 front bumper. I changed the front wings. It's also widened on the back by around about 50mm aside. There's also a few other bits and bobs of maintenance I've done to it and other bits like that. On my right we've got my 3 litre V6 Shogun Sport. This one I've used and done a bit of off-roading, as you can see from the state of it. So there's a lot of repairs I need doing to it and basically just bringing it back to a former glory. I love this truck, it's brilliant, I love that as well. Behind these two we've got Vauxhall Corsa B, kind of like a retro classic now. I kind of brought this one as a quick flip because I got it nice and cheap. But then my daughter seems to like it. It's actually like a carbon copy of my wife's first car when I first met her, the first car she had when she passed the test. So the idea now is to try and get this back to its former glory for my daughter for her first car and maybe take her on the track when she hits 14. Right, around this corner, we've got my old Rockbox again, another retro classic really. Vauxhall Cavalier, started off life as a 1.8 LS and as my family driver for a while. It's actually got a 2 litre red top in it now, and I'm hopefully going to get it to track spec because the interior's all been stripped out, you know, it's full of parts at the minute. You can see a little bit of the bucket seats in there, but the idea is to make this a light, super fast track car. It's been 5 years in the making, so there'll probably be lots of videos about this one. If we head this way, past my friend James's Vauxhall Vectress, brilliant diesel SRI. I'd say that we'll probably have a couple of videos on that for repairs and things like that. Here's my wife's car, family wagon. It is, yeah, it's what she wanted. It's got a 6-cylinder, 2.5 straight 6 in it with a manual gearbox, and it being a Tourer as well, it had to be the Tourer. And I'm not allowed to modify this one, so there'll be a lot of repair work videos on this one. It's recently had new rear disc and pads, brake shoes, front steering arms and track rods, and it's also got a water leak in this side, which when the weather clears up I will be tackling and doing a video on that as well. Right, initially the channel is going to be split into a couple of different playlists. We're going to have one which is going to be more fun things, so it'll be things like our road trips and car shows and things like that. We do a bit of fun, a bit of banter between me and a few of my close friends. We're going to have a hints and tips, like technical one, which will be when we're doing things like changing brakes and maintenance on the cars. I can show you what tools you might need, the best practice and the best way to do it, and just the way to do it safely. And then we're also going to have a project section, so when I'm doing something like on this or modifying one of my vehicles, we've got all that on there as well. So if that's something you're interested in, hit a like and a subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see in particular on our channel, then just fire it in the comments below and we'll try and get back to you as soon as we can. Also, we're on a couple of other media outlets, and check these out to find more about us.